5-minute workout to get shape in 4 weeks. Use a 5-minute workout to lose weight and get fit. How many times have you said that you don't have enough time to work out? If you, like most non-exercise, you say it all the time. But if you are serious about reaching and maintaining your goal weight, you need to find time to exercise. But here are the good news. You only need 5 minutes each day. Can a 5-minute workout be effective? Rob Fletcher, creator of ANGT, American Next Great Trainer, says that a simple 5-minute exercise routine can make a big difference. In fact, he challenged his clients to a 7-day jump start challenge, where he asked them to set aside just 5 minutes to each day to work out. He says this simple commitment helped to ignite healthy habit changes and promote a positive confidence boost. Calories burned in a 5-minute workout. So how many calories can you burn during 5 minutes workout? It depends on how hard you work. Fletcher says that you can burn up to 20 calories per minute with a high intensity interval, but the real benefit comes after the workout is complete. An intensive 5-minute workout can help burn more fat all the day. Fletcher says that you experience the afterburn effect for up to 48 hours after an intense workout. Exercise physiologists call this post-exercise oxygen consumption. In a simple term, it means that your body consumes more oxygen and burns more fat and calories in the hour following an intense workout, even after a workout of 5 minutes only. Fat burning benefit continue for the rest of the day. Set up your 5-minute workout. There are a few things you should do to set up your 5 minutes workout for weight loss. First, you should make sure that you are healthy enough for various activities. Check with your doctor if you have not exercised in a while. If you have any injuries or concerns about your health, next make sure that you are properly equipped with your fitness level. At the beginning level, fat burning minute work does not require any special equipment. Most of the activities you can be performed using your own body weight and resistance, but your progress become more fit. Fletcher suggests that you add medicine ball, dumbbells or resistance bands for further enhance your fat burning furnace. Low cost way to work out at home. 5-minute workout. 1. Before you do this workout developed by Rob Fletcher, you may want to familiarize yourself with each of the exercise. Most of the activities in the mini workout are self-explanatory, but check the link of the image if you need further guidelines. Remember, you modify needed when you first starting up. 5 minutes weight loss. Workout 1. Do this exercise for 1 minute. Rest 5 seconds between each activities. Run in place, jumping, push up. 5 minutes workout 2. The second 5 minutes weight loss workout suggested by Fletcher is based on the repetition, not one time. Again, modify if necessary when you are the first starting out, and remember to add resistance as your fitness level improve. 5 minutes weight loss workout 2. Perform 12 repetitions of each level. Repeat the sequence as many times as possible in 5 minutes. Jump, squats, bicycling, crunches. 5 minutes workout. Though you should be able to do some kind of physical activities every day, there will be occasions when you simply cannot get 5 minutes workout completed. So you should ditch the weight loss workout plan completely. Absolutely not, says Fletcher. Not giving up. He says the key is consistency. However, things happen and days will be missed. He suggests that the focus on the of course. He also emphasizes the importance of the healthy post-workout routine. He says that eating is right food after exercise will help to keep you satisfied, so that your weight loss plans stay on work. For 5-minute workout, if you enjoy 5-minute workout and you are in the market for next exercise tool, find a tool that provides workout on the go. Many new tech tools provide watch on ear based on session. For example, the Jabra Sports Coach wireless buds might be a good investment. but Bluetooth enabled earbuds connect with the Jabra Sports Live app and provide a series of guided mini workout that you cannot do while you listen to music. The weight loss workout range from 3 to 6 minutes and can be modified or customized based on your fitness level and goals. You can also use the app and earbuds to track and coach you through your other favorite activities like running, biking and walking. Several Firebird products also provide exercise tools so you can get 5 minutes workout right on your wrist. Both the Versa and Lonic have a coach app that you can use when you are short on time. There are also great fitness tools that you can keep at home for a quick workout. When you have a few minutes to spare, consider Crochet Rope, a set of sharp designed jump rope that comes with an app that provides short, instant but easy to follow workout. Pair the cardio workout and stretch. Train for total body work in many minutes, but you don't have to spend any money to create your own mini 5 minutes workout. Simply put together a few of your favorite physical activities and time yourself as you complete them. And you can jog and the basement star or hold a world squid while talk on the phone, or you can even turn your routine into cardio burning. A Fletcher says the key is consistency. Try to complete some of these type of activities each day, burn enough calories so that you coach and maintain your goal weight.